All right, guys, check it out. I'm so excited. This is my 12-inch titanium frying pan, skillet, whatever you want to call it. One of the reasons I was so excited about trying it is because it's actually made from 100% pure titanium. What's great is it's actually made without that traditional non-stick chemical coating. So no chemicals like PFAS, PFOA, or PTFE. So if you're looking for a more natural surface, this is going to be a great option for you. And check it out. Let me give you a closer look. I'm also loving this hammered finish. It doesn't just look nice. Believe it or not, it actually helps improve the pan's natural non-stick performance. So food releases from the pan a lot easier, and trust me, cleanup is a breeze. Another thing that makes this pan really versatile is that it works on all stovetops. So that's going to include induction, gas, electric, ceramic, and glass. Plus, it's oven safe and dishwasher safe. So you can go from the stovetop to the oven, then straight to the dishwasher. Okay, make an egg with me. When I say this thing is non-stick, it's non-stick. I already got my butter in the pan. I poured my egg in, and just look at that. No sticking whatsoever. Clean. And yet another cool thing about this pan, it actually is going to come with a tempered glass lid, which is just perfect for simmering sauces, steaming vegetables, or just locking in moisture while you're cooking. So yeah, I would say if you're looking for durable, versatile cookware that's easy to use and easy to clean, this titanium pan is a really great option.